Major funding for Monster House, the video game, has been made possible by
the National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future, the U.S. Department of Energy,
Subway, Eat Fresh, Bank One Individual Answers, Midas, Trust the Midas Touch.
Science. It's given us the framework to help make wireless communications clear. Sprint is proud to support
Monster House, the video game.
the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and the annual financial support on this video game station from viewers like you. Thank you.